Oh my God, I was able to get a 3080 Ti at retail. I snagged a 3080. Obviously a 3080 EVGA for the Win 3 card. And if you're anything into computers, you know how hard these are to get. With the silicon shortage and everybody being in lockdown, graphics cards plus miners have caused these to be really rare and really highly scalped. And I was able to pick one of these up. Now what I'm going to use this card for primarily, well, gaming, but I'm also going to use it for some testing. I'm going to do some custom benchmarks to test whether or not you need this much graphics card to render videos. So I'm going to be doing a comparison between these two graphics cards in Premiere Pro, so get subscribed so you can watch that content. But we're going to be doing custom benchmarks to see how much graphics card you really need depending on the type of content you create. So my intention with this is I'm going to do custom timelines. I'm not going to use Puget Bench. I want to see real world what the differences are. Not a benchmark, but actually doing work. So what I'm going to do is do several custom timelines to put these cards under different workloads to see how they react, how the render times are, and bring you the results. So again, get subscribed if you want to see that content. Now I'm going to be doing everything on my 9900K system, kind of more as a average PC instead of a, you know, overbuilt water-cooled beast like this one, because I want more real world rather than, you know, 16 cores, 32 thread PC. I want to see a, you know, 8 core, 16 thread, how it does with different video cards. I'm planning on doing various codecs and just seeing what different things affect each graphics card. Whether a bunch of transitions, transcoding to different codecs will do, that kind of stuff. I want to see real world what those graphics card differences will actually be. You know, when you're transcoding something from 4K to 1080, what's the result between those two graphics cards? So I think it'll be really interesting. It'll be a little fun for me. So as always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.